Good morning. I'm very excited to start on this project. I'm doing details this morning, and I'm going to use a whole bunch of glue sticks and my clippers and some moss and some twigs. So let's get started. I really wanted to add a little railing for the stairs. If you look closely, you can see on the railing, each spot that I've put glue is really noticeable, so I like to take some moss and I just kind of pick out some pieces and heat up the spots with all the glue and add the moss in. The moss helps to hide all of the big glue clumps and gives it some more character and whimsy as well. Look how cute that looks. When I started this project, I really wanted to make a mailbox, and I kind of based everything around the mailbox. And I had a whole image in my head of how I wanted it to look. I put down a thin layer of Mod Podge for the grass. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I just put some anywhere I felt that grass might be growing. It might be crawling in between the cracks of the stairs or around the base of the tree. And finally on to the front door. Craft sticks are really great because you can use them for anything wooden on your projects, like hardwood floors or doors or windows, straw bridges, anything fun like that. I decided I wanted to paint my front door so that it looked a little bit more weathered and worn like the rest of the tree. I really love using these watercolor paints. It seeps into the wood really nicely and gives it more of like a natural look to it. The door is all finished. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I might add some more details later on, but I really love this final project. Thanks so much for watching Coffee Craft Create. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time.